On this episode of Eggerton&Me, we are doing kale pesto. Very simple. Here's our ingredients. First, we start with the pine nuts. Ready? Lila, you help me dump it in the bowl. Good. Now, we pack in the kale. Ready? Pack it.
Pack it.
Pack it.
Pack it. Here's the kale.
Stuff it in. These are not chopped. These ones, we've removed the tough stems and we've cut it.
Mommy.
Now, Lila, dump the cheese, if you please. Parmesan cheese. Jackie, we take the olive oil and we're gonna pour it in. Help. Good. Drizzle. I'm pouring a lot of olive oil in. Measurements to follow.
Mama, how about that?
Please dump in the salt, Lila.
Still more in.
Good job. We finished with our kale. This is kale from the garden.
You dropped a piece of
Oh,
kale by
helpers. Mix it.
How did this change into that?
We blended it. We blended it using our little bullet blender to make a nice pesto. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. We use pestos for egg salad sandwiches, for pasta salads, salad dressings, and in this case, we are going to use it for our Death Star pizza.
It's Everton.